Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to add program to right-click menu in Windows 11 so you can launch your favorite apps faster, straight from the desktop menu. Now let's get started. Step 1. Right-click the application you want to add and click Copy as Path. This copies the full program path in quotes, and that exact path is what the right-click command will use to launch the app. Step 3. Press Windows +R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. This small window lets you quickly open system tools and settings without searching through menus. Step 4. Type regedit and press Enter. This opens the Registry Editor, which is where Windows stores menu behavior and system level configuration. Step 5. In the Registry Editor address bar, paste the path from the description box and press Enter. This jumps you straight to the correct registry location where right-click menu items are defined. Step 6. Right-click the shell folder and choose New, then Key. This creates a new menu entry container that will appear in your right-click options. Step 7. Rename the new key to the application name you want to see in the right-click menu. Use a clean, readable name because this is exactly what will show when you right-click. Step 8. Right-click the new key you created, click New, then Key again. This creates a subkey that will hold the launch command for the program. Step 9. Rename this key to command. This specific name is required because Windows looks for a command key to know what action to run. Step 10. Double-click the default value inside the command key. This opens the value editor where you define what file gets executed. Step 11. Paste the copied application path into the value data box. Make sure it stays exactly as copied so the system can find and open the program correctly. Step 12. Click OK to save the value. This locks in the command and connects your menu label to the program path. Step 13. Close Registry Editor. All changes are saved instantly and no extra confirmation is needed here. Step 14. Restart your PC. Then right-click on the desktop background. Click Show More Options and you will see your app in the list. I added Camtasia before and it shows up the same way. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to Touch to Click.